Here are some behaviors that cats may exhibit when they are sad or stressed. 1. Changes in appetite. A sad or stressed cat may eat less or refuse to eat altogether. 2. Withdrawal. Cats may become more withdrawn and spend more time hiding or sleeping. 3. Lethargy. Cats may seem less energetic and may not play or engage in activities as much as usual. 4. Vocalization. Some cats may meow or yowl more than usual when they are sad or stressed. 5. Aggression. A sad or stressed cat may become more aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. 6. Avoidance. Cats may avoid interaction with their owners or other pets in the home when they are feeling down. 7. Excessive grooming. Cats may groom themselves excessively when they are stressed, which can lead to hair loss or skin irritation. 8. Marking. Some cats may start to mark their territory with urine or feces when they are feeling anxious or stressed. 9. Destructive behavior. A sad or stressed cat may engage in destructive behavior such as scratching furniture or chewing on objects. 10. Changes in litter box habits. Cats may stop using the litter box or start going outside of it when they are feeling down or stressed.